Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Mario Rahmat Adi Pratama. I am a student of STAIM Sultan Abdurrahman Kepulauan Riau. In this video, I will convey folktale or history about the island of Tanjung Batu Kundur and Tanjung Batu people struggle against colonizer. Okay, next to video. The city of Tanjung Batu, Kundur District, Karimun Riau Island, during the dark colonial era, which at that time the oldest village was Alai village, which was a village. In the Dutch colonial era, the Kundur sub-district government system was led by a mayor. After becoming a sub-district in the city of Tanjung Batu, led by Camat with periodic administration. It is said that, based on the developing folklore, the origin of the name Tanjung Batu was due to the growth of a flower, namely Tanjung Batu flower on the rock. In the 16th century, foreign power began to enter Indonesia, starting with the Portuguese, Spanish, and the Dutch in some part of Indonesia. All plantation areas were controlled by the Dutch, but that did not happen in Tanjung Batu. In the early 19th century, started a factory which was run by a Japanese national named Yamamoto, given the name Nankoko Gungu Kaisa. Yamamoto Gardens is very large, with rubber up to 6 hectares. The areca plantation as big as Kebon Pinang and Tanjung Sari now. In 1 month, the rubber and areca nuts can reach 80 tons. Therefore, to facilitate transportation, and trains was built, which is now called Parit Jepun. At that time, the natives were allowed to go to school. The school was 3 classes and in a mosque. Then moved the factory area to be places behind it. The teachers at the time were named Bakar, Simon, and Sinaga. The currency used was the Singapore dollar, because Yamamoto was only himself a non-resident of the earth. The situation at that time was very sad. But the peace did not last long. In 1941, the U.S. Navy base was bombed the Japanese. As a result, Yamamoto returned to Japan on the ground that the army and Nankoko Gungu Kaisa were closed. This Japanese victory made Yamamoto return to Tanjung Batu, and he set up another factory with a new name, Nanyo Kabu Kushikisa. At that time, many Japanese soldiers come to Tanjung Batu. They come by boat named Mayang Batawi. When the Japanese soldiers were in Tanjung Batu, they set up a base. The Japanese soldiers were very cruel. They beheaded and whipped the people who did not want to submit to them. They also closed the school, but the teacher tried to keep on teaching. Eventually, a new school was established, which was named the People's School. Chinese discount was allowed by the Japanese army to establish a school, which was named the Pfeiffer School. The rule of the Japanese army did not last long, because on August 15, 1945, Japan surrendered unconditionally to the Allies. Until August 17, 1945, Indonesian independence was proclaimed. The defeat of the Japan Made Yamamoto returned to Japan, and the victory was continued by a Chinese discount. On September 29, 1945, Allied troops landed in Indonesia. Not long after that, the Dutch troops arrived at Tanjung Batu. They also set up a base like Japan with different locations from the Japanese headquarters, namely on a hill. With the construction of the Dutch headquarters on the hill, the people's school at the bottom of the hill was moved to another place. Learning from the bitter experience of the atrocities of the Japanese army, this time people's resistance began to take place, commanded by Abdul Manaf and Abdul Latif. They struggled to expel the Dutch colonialists from Tanjung Batu, but Abdul Manaf was shot dead by the Dutch in Sungai Buloh, or Alai village. He was then beaten and pried at the mosque and buried in a rubber plantation. The victim between the Dutch and the people continued until finally on 23 August 1949 in Den Haag, a roundtable conference, or KMB, was held, and in 1940 the Dutch left Tanjung Batu. The Dutch exit was warmly welcomed by the residents, and sovereignty ceremony was held in the field, or now the Youth and Culture Hall, to claim Tanjung Batu freedom from the invaders. Return that was historical folklore from the island of Tanjung Batu Kundur. I apologize for mistakes, but word and word from me. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.